Hello, welcome and welcome back. Today's set is inspired by these lovely shoes that I have. I have already applied and cut my tips, done my prep, and I'm starting off with a thin layer of this acrylic from CJP. It is called Monomer, and it is a pale pink. Next, I'm taking this gel polish, also from CJP. It is called Sweet Dreams, and I'm applying a thin layer to each nail and then cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Once that was cured, I took this black lace that I got from eBay. I believe it was like $1, maybe $1.19, $1.29, but it was really cheap for that whole roll. And I took that lace and I moved it around on the nail, trying to figure out what design I wanted to do or how I wanted it to be in place on that nail. And then once I figured out how I wanted it placed, I cut a piece off. And then I went back in with that same gel polish and did another coat. And before I cured that coat, I took that piece of lace and put it in place where I decided, laid it on there, and then I wrapped it around the nail and held it in place there as best I could. It's tricky, but I wrapped it around the nail and held it in place with the rest of my fingers, and then I put it in the lamp and cured it for 60 seconds. And once it was cured, the lace is stuck to the polish, and then I cut the excess off around the nail. I did leave a little bit of excess lace on the nail just so that enough would be there once I encapsulated it. I couldn't decide if I wanted every nail to be fully covered in lace, so I had to play with the lace a little bit and move it around a lot into different positions and kind of see what look I was going for on each nail. But once I got a placement that I liked, I went in and did the same thing on each nail that I did on the first nail. I went back in with that same polish and did another layer, and then put the lace in place where I wanted it, wrapped it around the nail, held it in place, put it in the lamp, let it cure, and then when it came out of the lamp, it was stuck in place, and then I cut the excess lace off. I think I actually redid this nail because when I was cutting the excess lace, I messed up and cut too much on one side. Yeah, on that side I cut too much off, and that is why I wanted to leave some excess lace on the nail. After applying and cutting all the lace, I went in and encapsulated each nail in acrylic. And this acrylic is also from CJP. It is called Negligee, and it is a clear pink. And I went in with a lot of very wet beads just to make sure that the acrylic got into all the grooves and holes of the fabric so that it really adhered it to the nail. And that is it, my lace nails. I love how these turned out. They're so pretty and they look just like my shoes. I hope you liked this look. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.